Hey guys, today I am going to cook a pork curry in Manipuri style. This is one of the recipes we used to cook in school days with my brother. He also loves to cook. Let's start the preparation. First, let's check out the ingredients. Here I am taking 750 grams of pork curry cut, 5 to 6 lettuce leaves, 2 medium size of chopped onions, some culantro leaves, 2 teaspoons of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 2 large size potato, slice it into half. Now heat the pan and put a few fat pork pieces, saute for a few minutes and let sweat it out. Then put all the pork pieces in the pot. Saute for a few minutes. Here we will stir it well so that all the pork pieces are heated and release some or sweat it out. Then we will add some chopped onion and left some of it. We will use it later, the remaining one. Saute for a few minutes again. Then we will cover and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, let's open the lid and add garlic paste. Saute for a couple of minutes. Then add ginger paste. We will mix it well and let it cook. Make sure you stir it well. All the garlic and ginger paste are mixed with the pork pieces. Now we will add salt. Saute for a few minutes. Again we will cover and cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of cook, we will add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of meat masala, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. Then we will mix it well. Make sure you stir it well and mix all the spices so that it will give a good taste. Then we will saute for a minute. Then cover the lid and cook for 5 more minutes. After 5 minutes of cook, let's add chopped onion, garlic paste and sliced potato. Then some chopped culantro leaves. Saute and mix well for some time. Adding potato is quite common in Manipuri way of cooking. You can find adding potato in chicken, mutton and other meat dishes. We will cover and cook for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, let's open the lid and stir it well. Here we will add a generous amount of water. we will boil it for 30 minutes, so we had added a good amount of water. Since pork need a good amount of time to cook, so here we are adding a good amount of water so we can cook it for longer. Let it boil for 5 minutes. Then cover and cook for 30 minutes on medium heat. After 30 minutes, open the lid and stir it well. Add lettuce leaf. This is optional, you can also skip it if you don't like adding it. Normally we add fresh mustard leaves. It will give almost same taste with lettuce, but here I am not able to find the fresh mustard leaves, so I am replacing it with lettuce. Let's cover and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, let's open the lid. Here we can see that the lettuce leaves are also cooked. We will simmer for a few more minutes to let gravy go thicker. Add chopped culantro and coriander leaves. We can simmer for a few more minutes according to our like of gravy thickness. Here I will put off the heat. The gravy is good for me. I want some gravy. Now pork curry with lettuce is done. Enjoy!